cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and in today's video we are shopping our stash. As you understood from the intro, in this video I decided to shop my stash, and the first step here is to show you how my only palette wardrobe looks like. I mean, I have a lot of stuff that I'm very proud of, and it's kind of hard for me to decide with what I want to go. Whoa, I think I have seen the first palette that I'm really interested to use today. It's from NYX Professional Makeup, the collaboration that they have done with La Casa de Papel. Okay, so we have this one. I think this one will be great with my eyebrows because now my hair is purple, so this palette contains an amazing purple, which can be the color of my eyebrows. But now I need to find the palette for the front part of the eyebrows, which is supposed to be lighter. Let me see what I have here. This is Coast to Coral. I have a tutorial for this palette. This is from Revolution, the Harley Quinn. I have a tutorial for this palette. This is Live Forever from Lovelace. Okay, this is Flower Power. Is the palette that I'm looking for right now? Let me check. No, not really. But I have a tutorial about this palette as well. This is from Bragg Beauty, the Stay Wild palette. Amazing palette. Oh yeah, here we have it. This is from BH Cosmetics, Do Not Disturb. And from this palette, I'm planning to use this amazing purple. It is called Peace Out, and I'm planning to put it at the front part of my brows. Let me see, is there anything else that I would like to use? Well, I don't think so. I think that I want to keep it as simple as possible. Did I show you how this palette looks like? If I didn't, this is it. Ta-da! It has the plastic still, so I will try to remove the plastic with just one hand. Quite a difficult mission. But yeah, this is how it looks in all its glory. I mean, it's an amazing palette. I'm in love with the quality, I'm in love with the shades, the toppers are amazing, and I really want to play with it again. Two more palettes that I'm always using, that's why they were on my desk, and that's why I was cheating a little bit, and I brought them here because my desk is a little bit, let's say, untidy. So, I brought them here for you to see them. This is from Evelina Foschel. And the brand, Italian brand if I'm not mistaken, Cosmyfy, the War Paint palette. Let me open it here for you. Ta-da! I mean, it's quite obvious that I'm using this palette a lot. I have hit pan in how many out of 9? 7 out of 9. Oh my god, I'm really using this palette. I mean, if I ever do a project pan, this palette will be a palette in my project pan. Take your spoiler now. And then I have this one right here from LH Cosmetics, the Daybreaker palette. Let me open it here for you. Basically, when I used to have dark brown eyebrows, I used this shade a lot. That's why it has a big hole here. Basically, from this eyeshadow palette, I'm planning to use this one, which is called Lavender. I don't know if you can see it. Yes, you can see it. And the second one, this one, the dark purple, which is called Sky. And I'm thinking to use Haze at the bottom part of my eyes, and I think it's gonna be a great combination. And that was it basically. I have chosen my palettes. Now let's move on to the main studio setup, have a last sneak peek from my wardrobe, and I'm pretty much ready to start with my makeup. And let's start this makeup with some primer. So for today, as I have told you, I'm planning to use the one from Aden. Not the best, but for what I plan to do, I think it's gonna work. I don't want something very extreme, I don't want something with high coverage, so I think that I'm fine. Today I'm planning to do something very different, from the concept of the video to the actual makeup. That's why I'm taking this palette, which has a lot of neutrals. By the way, this is the collaboration of NYX Professional Makeup and La Casa de Papel, and from this palette I'm gonna go with a very nice beige, this one right here in the Bang it's called, and actually it's a little bit to the cool tone instead of the warm tone, which is this one right here, which is called Estocolmo. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush, so this one is from BH, and I'm gonna go here at the top part of my eye, and I'm gonna apply a little bit of beige to use it as a transition color. Next step is to take the palette Daybreaker from LH Cosmetics, and from this palette I'm gonna use this muted pink, which is called Lavender, and basically I think that I would like to apply it right under the base here. Wow, to darken up things, but still in a muted way and kinda in a cool toned way. Yeah, it's so beautiful. Oh, look how beautifully they are blended. Oh my god, I love this palette. I really have it on my desk and I'm using it all the time. It's an amazing palette. To highlight the under the eyebrow area, I'm gonna use the palette War Paint, and from this palette I'm gonna go here to the shade Bleach. As you can see, it has a huge hole. I'm using it as an eyeshadow, as a highlighter, as a shadow on my lips to kinda make them more shiny. Like, it's a multi-used eyeshadow. So basically I'm gonna spray it a little bit with Revolution Fixing Spray Cookies and Cream in order to make sure that I will have the maximum effect of the eyeshadow. I'm gonna take my mirror and I'm gonna go here, just here, and highlight a little bit. Not something extreme, because the extreme part is yet to come. At this point, I would like to apply some lip oil on my lips. I'm gonna use from Beauty Bay the Jelly Lip Oil, and it's a step that I'm usually doing at every video, but I always forget to tell you, I always forget to do it on camera, and I feel that if I prepare my lips with the lip oil, all the lipsticks, either they are liquid lipsticks or normal bullet lipsticks, are performing way better. Finally, it's time for the most exciting part of this makeup. I'm planning to use Interstellar from LH Cosmetics. Basically, it is a liquid eyeshadow, but I have used it as lip topper, as highlighter. It's again a multi-use product, and I'm basically planning to apply it for one time as an eyeshadow. So I'm gonna go here at my inner corner and let the magic happen. Let's see. Wow! Wow, look how beautiful it is! Wow! It's amazing, isn't it? Wow! As I noticed, it's not the most buildable product, and by this I mean when I applied the second layer, this happened. I'm not very happy with it, and I have never tried to apply a second layer because as a highlighter, one layer is more than enough. So yeah, when it comes to buildability, it's meh, and I will try to save the whole situation here by using from the Daybreaker palette this purple right here, which is called Sky, and basically I'm planning to connect this lavender color with the duochrome, and let's see what's gonna happen. I don't know, I didn't expect to have this result, but this is what I have, so I have to work with it. Let me take some Sky color. Okay, oh, it's better. Yeah, definitely, it's better, but I need a lot of blending here. Oh my god. For eye pencil, I'm planning to use from MUA Makeup Academy the Dusk, which is a very nice cool tone brown, and I think that with my cool tone makeup this will look awesome. To finish with the bottom part of my eyes, I'm gonna take again the same palette, and from the palette I'm gonna choose the color Haze, which is a very beautiful duochrome from kinda beige brown to blue, and I think that this will fit perfectly with the Interstellar that I have already used. I'm looking down because I'm looking for a nice brush to use. Okay, here we have it again from BH. It's gonna be the same, and I'm gonna spray it a little bit with my Revolution spray to make the duochrome scents pop a little bit more. So I'm going exactly right here to apply. Wow, it's so beautiful. I love this palette so much, all the colors are absolutely stunning. Now I'm gonna apply some eyeliner, this time the Epic Ink eyeliner from NYX Professional Makeup, then I'm gonna apply false lashes and I will be back to do the rest of the face makeup. The reason that I'm not doing eyeliner on camera is first of all I need both my hands, and secondly it's gonna take a long time, and today I would like to show you my face makeup, so let's focus on the eyeliner at some other point. Time to give some color to these eyebrows, and the idea here is to go from a dark purple like this one right here. This is from the palette of your makeup stories cosmetics. It's called Purplicious and it's a very nice warm purple which will fit with my hair color. What do you think about my hair color, by the way? And then I'm gonna continue by using the palette from BH Cosmetics, Do Not Disturb, and the color Peace Out, which is a lighter purple. So in this way I'm planning to achieve the ombre effect that I have in my head. At this point I would like to mention something else. If you don't have all the palettes that I'm using in this video, or in general the makeup and the cosmetics, I don't plan to inspire you to buy more stuff. With this video, I'm telling you, shop your stash. You have a lot of stuff, probably if you see my channel, and I'm sure that you can do all the steps that I have done today by using only the products that you have already bought. You don't have to buy anything extra. If you don't have the products, I'm sure that you can find for sure something similar, because the colors that I have used today, they are not that special. And I planned this for a reason, in order to make you understand that you can create the same, or if not the same, quite similar looks with the palette that you have, because all of those beige colors and the grungy purples, I would say, they can be found in pretty much every palette. Oh, I forgot to mention that in order to freeze my eyebrows and make sure that they will not go anywhere, I used from Revolution Makeup the Tasty Avocado Brow Gel. It's a very nice gel, I really enjoy using it on my brows. Now, it's time to set the face makeup, and I'm planning to start with Essence Fix and Last Jelly Primer. I'm gonna apply a good amount here on my hand, and then I'm gonna take this cute heart sponge from e.l.f. Makeup, the Game Collection, and I will start applying this product. I love this product because it gives me a mattifying effect to my whole face, and especially my T-zone, which is very famous for its oils, and I really appreciate this effect. As foundation, I'm gonna use from Laura Mercier the Tinted Moisturizer with SPF. Okay, it's so rainy today, in the shade 1N2 Vanille. Actually, it's French, so I'm not even sure if I said it correctly. And if I feel that it's way too dark for me, which I think that's the case, I'm gonna use a little bit of my Lumene foundation, which is lighter, to mix them a little bit and find my correct shade, because it's been a while that I have used both Lumene and Laura Mercier foundation. At this part, I'm gonna add highlighter at the top parts of my face. This is gonna be the Beauty Light Wand from Charlotte Tilbury Easy Highlighter. Not that easy. Okay, that's my opinion. And then I'm gonna use some concealer from NYX Professional Makeup, the Bear With Me. I'm adding some powder, the Brighten Up Banana Powder from Essence, under my eyes with a kind of fluffy brush. So this is again from the Beauty Bay Collection Techni Days. Like that. I don't want to overdo this, because if I overdo the thing with the powder, I'm looking wrinkly and I really don't want to have this. I don't have any wrinkles under my eye area and I don't want to create any. Now that my T-zone is matte again, I'm planning to use some liquid blushes. Basically, I'm gonna go with MUA Blush Series in the shade Taupe Tango, and then from Colourpop the Chic Do series and the shade Cherries You. These two, hopefully they will create a kind of purplish blush. We will see if I'm gonna achieve this. And then I'm gonna use some contour powder, basically the Witch Please from VE Cosmetics, which is an amazing cool tone bronzer, contouring, something in between, which I really love. Can we agree that one highlighter is never enough? Great, I get it as a yes, okay? So that's why I'm planning to use the Norms highlighter from Udensai. It's an amazing blue highlighter, like I love it. It's the perfect cool toned highlighter, and I'm gonna apply it right here on the top of the other one. And it's a very good trick, according to my opinion, to use first of all a liquid highlighter in order to create a sticky base. So if you're planning to be a little bit extra, like me, and you want to use powder as well, the powder will pop and it will shine 10 times more. As you know, I have very oily face, and that's why I'm planning to set it a little bit more with I Heart Revolution Coconut Scented Baking Powder. If you see here, we have an amazing pom-pom. It's so sweet, my god, I'm dying. and it smells like coconut, and I love coconut, so really I'm looking forward to use this powder. I know that it's working on me. It's a nice powder. It comes in a loose form, so for some of you this might be a problem. To me, like, I don't care, since I can have a nice powder. If it is loose or if it is compact, I don't really care, it's doing its work. I'm spraying my face with Keep It Perfect from Essence, and then I'm planning to use some extra highlighter, the final touches, I promise, which is gonna be from Fenty Beauty, How Many Carats. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. As you have seen, the whole video today is about shopping my stash, so I decided to tell you the Greek word for stash. So in Greek we say apothema. Say with me, a-po-the-ma. Apothema. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word apothema, or tell me the word stash in your own native language. Lips time. So today I'm planning to use a lot of products because although that I would like to go with a dark burgundy red lips, I wanna make them matchy with the eyes. So the plan here is to start with the lip pencil from your Makeup Stories in the shade Motivation, a very nice dark red one. Then I'm going with Ofra and their long-lasting liquid lipstick in the shade Ruby. On top, I'm going to use the Interstellar, exactly the same eyeshadow that I have used on my eyes in order to bring them together. And then for lip gloss, I'm planning to use the Explosive Shine lip gloss from Isadora in the shade... Oh my god, I'm so bad at finding the shades. Anyway, no, I found it. It's 81 Diamond Crush. So let's start because I have to do a lot here. And that was it. This was our video for today. Thank you so much for being here with me. I appreciate you a lot. I hope that I inspired you a little bit not to buy extra stuff, but instead use the stuff that you already have. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. See you next time, and until then, bye bye!